Hello children. Today we are going to learn a new letter. The letter is S. Can you remember someone who says S? So the letter that we are going to learn today is S. The letter is S, but the sound is S. This is the letter S. This is the letter S. The letter S says S for snake. Can you say S for snake? We use the sound in lots of words like, can you remember something that we see these pictures? Socks. There are how many socks are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 silly socks. See these silly socks? 6 silly socks. 6 is starting with 6 and silly. Silly socks. Socks. Sing a sad song. Sing a sad song. Sing a sad song. What next? See the summer sun. See. When you say see, it's starting with sound. See the summer sun. When you say sun, it's starting with sound. Sun. Okay. Show me the pictures that start with the sound. Can you identify any pictures that start with sound? Here we have a sock, snake, and we have an dinosaur, sun, hen, and what are these? Soap bubbles. Maybe soap, right? So let's match. Sock, hen. Can we match the hen or chicken? No. Sun, dinosaur? No. Soap, snake. So those are the pictures that we can match to the sound. Here are some words we can make with the letters we know. Can you read them? Everybody try to read these letters and make the word cat. So it is cat. Let's read this second word with our new sound. What is this sound? That is set. Okay children, that is it for today. We'll meet on next video. Bye bye.